represent for Lava. Real Gaza selector, the baddest thing in New York and the world. Seriously up to the...
Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. So tonight I am going to this party named Caribbean Link Up. So before you guys get into this video, I want you guys to please subscribe, okay? Don't forget to subscribe. Yes guys, so I'm gonna take you guys on the journey with me. What I'm gonna do when I get dressed, everything. As you can see now, I'm not dressed. I'm gonna start dressing. I fix my ear, but my ear still have to let down and stuff. You understand? No makeup, no do nothing like that. It's the man. So I'm gonna take you guys on the road with me. You know, so me I showing it from before me get dressed. You know, so stay tuned and wait for it. So guys, me I try a thing. No, now I'm gonna do the eyebrow first and all of that. So me I try to do my makeup. But guess what? I want down here to dry. I'm gonna want the sprinkles all over my face. So I'm gonna take it up on the journey. I let my eye because I don't want, you know, shape it. That's something woman have to go through. Anyway. Yeah, so see, just a kind of mess up, but you know, mascara got to take care of that and all that. You see this one me they run from them makeup or something. So I finished over here, so make it neat like this. So very so neat. Yeah. So guys, my camera kind of blur my ear mess up. We can't fix it right now. So I'm about to head out to the party. I'm gonna put on my shoes yet. I'm about to head out to the party. Try a little thing, try to put myself together. Watch that, I'm a charger card. I'm on the fast, you know. So guys, I'm put on my coat. It's not really thick. Because outside freezing and reach at the party, I take it off. You understand? Guess who did the party tonight? Lava. The chat and laugh.
Tomorrow it's called Memory Lane Sunday right here tomorrow. Don't forget, we got plenty of food in the kitchen. Big up Marsharie. She's inside the kitchen. Big up yourself, Marsharie. Derek, aka Big Belly Derek. Big up yourself. It's all about Sunday, the 28th of this month, November, at the place called Grand Anse Black Tire Fair. Big up my big man Bridget, Big Belly Derek. Him there. Big party I keep on a Sunday. You understand me? Of this month. Avi, Lobster Boss, the whole family, big up yourself. What you said? The 27th of this month, December, Lobster Sunday, loud and bust up the cloud. Car Stash, big up yourself, father. Everything good. Tire Stash, the whole family with this Super, aka Ranger, aka big up on yourself, Elegance Management. Right now, the party turn up to another level. And when we say another level, music are playing right now. K Queens in the building. Kaboom! Okay. Right now, Nikos British. Up there work, man. Father Thomas, what kind of work you talk about? Party tomorrow. You see? What on there? The party tomorrow and the people. Right here it says a Sunday. It's called Memory Lane. January Movement, Bugsy Bum Bum. Don't forget Fire Links are celebrating birthday celebration next Friday, right across the street from right there, so. You understand me? Asphalt Friday, K Queens, but you know, big up on yourself, you know. Big up on Bridget Montana, Curry Goodance. I want to say Moses Tuesday. See? K Queens, you know, so we're not my girl now, but do it quick and faster, please and thanks.
Yeah, man, we are host it, right? As me I say, the next selector, the ballet selector. One of the ballet selector, Lava from New York, the ball game set already.
Oh.
You understand? 11th of December, Fire Links, right across the Oxford HQ. Bring, bring, bring! Lush to 26, Shabba, you know, ball game set. Lava, Father Thomas, First Lady, Nisi. Do it now. Bugsy, what you say?
What may I say? K Queens again, the talk of phone and bringing Lava. Don't do that something again. See? You know what I say? Yeah. Love and yo, my friend right here from New York City from long time. I'm Bridget Biggs. Say something.
Yo, next week, Movado, December 11th, and I'm putting bitches through college, nigga. Straight up. Facts. December 11th, Movado here. Cosmopolitan Live. Biggs in the building. And I'm putting bitches through college, nigga. Facts.
Oh, Box, a woman bringing man here. A woman bringing man. Don't do it. Tolerance. Talk to the people.
Father Thomas, forward now. Forward, Father Thomas. If you don't hear Father Thomas, what's a black? No. See? And here I go and laugh at them. I know laugh before him bust, you know. So right now, I'm going with a whole heap of things. So you go online, chat and laugh at them, right?
And that me a talk
Jesus
about.
Christ. But here what? Niggas! Your slaughter never did have to go out so bad. But the bad no bumbo clot. But, hey, slaughter, you say one subject for woman. But you have to have a next subject for man. Because you have some girl a real man idiot. Hey, yo, John Wayne, fix up the mic, man. Fix up the mic. But for
years, Atlanta know years now come over here and show me deal up and respect. You understand me? Slaughter to Negos British whole family. Big up. DJ Shabby, young and bad. As a matter of fact, Dana, I can bring him to New York City a minute. You know. We know. Push you don't push on it, you must have man. You must have man. I am make money, your friend after make money too. Your party friend, and if a friend make money, you supposed to make money too. If a friend make money and you not blood clot make money, you quote listener ass. Real family, run it again. The whole team, you know, you understand? Lava, drop back the song, never forward. Canada, this is a who you fuck them want them money. The girl were in here who have 2 jobs and every blood clot you get the paycheck you give the man in, you know yourself. You me a job. You me a job. And you me a job. Africa, ready again.
Hey guys, I just want to let you all know that I'm back all safe. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend about Life with Curry Goodaz. I'm out. You don't know the party where I go. It was Caribbean Link Up, Fashion and Style. Yes guys. Bye. Yes guys, these are some of my videos that you can go back and watch. And please remember the #1 rules to subscribe to Life with Corey Goodas. Thank you guys for watching all my videos. Bye.